Thank you, everybody, for all these birthday wishes. Man, today was just a great day. You know, I went to a lion safari, got to feed a giraffe for the first time, got to drive around a baby rhino. I mean, it was just pretty cool, you know. Jenna took me out to some Italian food after for dinner. It was just an amazing time. You know, Jenna asked, what do I want? And I truly thought about that, and I truly just have everything. And I'm just so appreciative to the community and everybody just for giving me purpose as well. So thank you so much for all the birthday wishes. You know, because of the sake of it being my birthday, you know, I was wanting to put out something that I thought was very amazing. This truck driver wants to stay anonymous, you know, but it says, "Hey, Alex, just thought this video would be a helpful reminder for truckers to keep their eyes on the road and keep some distance between cars. This happened to my brother earlier today, and the driver is okay. Thanks, keep up the great work." So the motorcyclist is okay. Basically, in this dash cam video, you can see a driver, a motorcyclist, just fall off his bike for whatever various reasons. And luckily, this driver did the right thing, kept a safe distance, and actually went into the lane where that motorcyclist was and blocked from traffic going by quickly. Because who would have known what would have happened to that motorcyclist? And so your brother's a hero. That's all I gotta say, you know. So the big news of the day, right? Honda has made a global announcement today. And this is basically a concept truck, and they're getting into hydrogen fuel cell systems, right? Below is a little bit of the stats. 70 miles per hour estimated, driving range of 400 miles estimated, 240 kilowatts combined, and 3 fuel cell systems, high pressure 700 bar hydrogen tanks, and 120 kilowatt high voltage batteries. It says, quote unquote, commercial vehicles, including Class A trucks, where fuel cells offer the best zero emissions replacements for existing diesel applications, are a key part of Honda's broad hydrogen business strategy, said Ryan Hardy, Assistant Vice President, Sustainability and Business Development, America Honda Motor Corporation, Inc. Honda is actively seeking business collaborations and customers to help bring these hydrogen fuel cell solutions to market in North America. Right. The Honda fuel cell systems are currently in mass production at a joint venture production facility with General Motors in Brownstown, Michigan. Honda says that the fuel cell systems could be used for other applications for North American market in the future. You know, the transition from diesel powered is going away, and they think hydrogen fuel cells can be the winning answer. And Honda thinks that they have the right system. Right. So here's, you know, a piece of that. But Mutha Truckers, comment down below. You know, I'm here just to share the future with you of what people are thinking. And so you could just always keep an open mind and tell me, you know, from diesel powered trucks, is hydrogen fuel cell the future? Mutha Truckers, comment down below.